You done with that now? Come for me.
No, me not done with it. Me not done with it. You can't just cuss at somebody so and then act like say you have come done. No, you know work so.
Don't talk
You
about
can
that.
tell me don't talk about it too. And I'm talking for me door while you're sleeping here tonight.
What?
Me do now while you're sleeping beside me
And
tonight.
yourself? Where's that about?
It's about how to put your pillow on your shoe one side, sleep on the couch.
You come here and get liquid in your fitness star. You must look for me in that fucking building.
Yeah.
Where that me at?
I don't care, I don't care.
They forget you don't listen to talk to you.
I don't care, I don't care.
I want to touch that fucking talk. Come here, come
You said me know why I sleep, but
Me nah hear you
you
say,
too
me nah
much
hear you say.
attitude and-
No, I think you see your habit. Let me go.
Yeah,
Stop
that's to
that.
go. And I'm in my room, so me not gonna be the person who
Oh,
I
God.
Excuse. I'm serious.
You go to the room and
Come out of the room.
come to the room and come to the room and tell you now.
Claro, this boy put him on palm me, this boy put him on palm me. So guys, if you want to see the full video, run, go over to Abby and Kepo Comedy TV. Click the link in the description. Abby and Kepo Comedy TV. I type team Abby and Kepo Comedy TV. I want some dirty boy named Kepo. And guys, want to subscribe? Click the link for turn on the notification. That's as well drop a video upon it. Want to get notified same time. Cause yeah, pranks and challenge I can go over this too. Yeah guys, so as I said, Team Abby. I want some nasty boy named Kepo. Alright guys, go and go watch. Go and go watch. Go and go watch.